Tayo ulit. Breakfast. Wala pasta. Ano na yung bakasyon ko to spend. Araw sa mga update sa mga ano pa na tao. Feeling ko I really did my best for the last 13 years through writing. Yan. Ngayon talagang ayoko na mag-effort tulad dati. It's just that, of course, sometimes it really hurts you na nawala yung past, nawala yung mga ano sana i-document or gagawin mong books. Ngayon yung anak ko gusto na nilang gawan ako ng books, and then just by going to my Facebook account, kaya lang sabi ko sa kanila, most of it was removed already, deleted, suspended. Diba? I mean, literally, may mga accounts ako na suspend, 2 accounts in between my main account and before this account of mine. Nasuspend lahat yan, and paano ko ibabalik? Especially yung mga experiences ko for 1 year after separation. Nawala yan. I feel so bad. And kung pwede lang, Facebook mismo gantihan natin.
Today, I hope you will stay nice, be nice. Kung hindi ka...
Okay, voiceover testing. You know what? Ayan ang farm namin, or ginagawa ko nung nandyan pa ako sa Manila with my supposed to be family. When is he going to come back here? Tapos niya, 10 years na after. O kaya 5 years after. Lala! Tay! Next time kasi you tell me, yan tuloy, di siya naligo. Usually he takes a bath. Ayan, mulan na. Oh my, we don't have. You can bring the umbrella first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. O si Kuya Alex, join nyo.
About us.
About me.
We got in the picture.